cow eyeball. This is a fun little critter. We've got the optic nerve running out the back and all this muscle and fat tissue. I'm going to cut through this. I'm going to be a few minutes and I will get back to you. See here, if you look really closely, you can see these muscles that I've cut through that are important for controlling eye movement. I'm going to cut through the cornea of the eye, which is the kind of thick outer covering that is going to go into the opening, or the iris of the eye here. Inside, there, I'm going to have to poke it. These things are actually really, really tough, which is a good thing because you don't want a little poke to your eye to cause your eye to pop. That would be bad. So you can see just how thick this cornea really is. Look how thick. That people that have cataracts have kind of a cloudiness covering that. Okay. Now next in line, we have this iris that opens and closes to allow light to enter, and all this stuff coming out that's kind of jelly-like is like that. It is your aqueous humor. It is kind of a jelly-like substance. You can see it come out like here. That is just your jelly-like substance that the lens of your eye sits in, and it kind of helps keep your eye inflated. Here is, I'm going to have to cut it out. I'm going to cut down the sides of the eye here so you can kind of see the different tissues. Along the back of your eye is got your retina. Your retina has the rods and cones and things that detect color, and it sends that information down your optic nerve there. Like I said, it's actually rather difficult to cut through all this tissue. So here I have the lens. The lens is not super hard. It's a little bit hard, but it's actually kind of rubbery and a little bit bouncy. That's the lens of your eye. It's what allows the light to pass through and have an upside down image on the back of your retina, which sends it to your brain upside down, and your brain writes it again. On the inside of the eye, you see this kind of iridescent color? That's your retina with the rods and cones near the back there for seeing color in your eye.
The lens looks like a jelly bean.
It kind of does, yeah. It's kind of got the same texture too.
Probably not the same taste.
And then if you scrape this material out, this is your retina. It's like that photographic material in the back of your eye. Okay, and